Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple process of logging into your Wix website. Whether you're a business owner, blogger, or just starting out with your online presence, accessing your Wix account is the first step to managing your website effectively. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. In the address bar, type in www.wix.com and hit enter. This will take you to the main page of Wix website. On the top right corner of the page, you'll see a sign in button or get started. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Once you're in the login page, you'll see options to continue with Google, with Facebook, with Apple, or use your email. Click on whatever you prefer. If you prefer to log in through email address and password, simply type in your email address and password. After you've entered your login credential, click on the login button below the password field. And congratulations, you've successfully logged into your Wix account. You'll now be redirected to your Wix dashboard, where you can manage your website, edit content, add new features, and much more. And that's it for this tutorial on how to log in into your Wix website. Remember, accessing your Wix account is essential for maintaining and updating your website regularly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.